Hello friends, welcome to Chic Haven Dressing Room Makeover, the ultimate destination for all things dressing room decor and design. Are you ready to transform your dressing space into a special sanctuary that perfectly reflects your unique personality and fashion-forward sensibilities? Look no further. Our channel is dedicated to guiding you through the enchanting world of dressing room decoration, offering a treasure trove of inspiration, expert tips, and ideas that will leave you excited to revamp your space. Imagine stepping into your designing dressing room and feeling an instant rush of positivity and motivation. With our carefully curated collection of videos, we will help you master the art of creating a dressing table room that's not just functional but a place of beauty, luxury, and creativity. From elegant starter solutions to glamorous vanity setups, from ingenious space utilization to captivating decor essence, we have got it all covered. Join us as we dive deep into the latest trends in dressing room design, from minimalistic elegance to opulent extravagance. We explore a variety of themes to suit every taste. Our step-by-step guides will dress empower you to execute your dream dressing room makeover with confidence, regardless of your budget or space limitations. Our team of experienced interior designers and decor enthusiasts is passionate about sharing their expertise with you. We believe that your dressing room is more than just a place to store clothes. It's a reflection of